Hi guys,
Moaz here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M
Unboxing and Reviews. So today, Moaz, what do we have?
A racing RV car.
RC car. So this RC car is from Adventure Force, and what is it called?
Buggy.
So as you guys can see, it's quite big. The scale for it's 110. Right, Moaz? It's quite big.
And it's extra tire.
And how fast does it go?
10 miles per hour.
Wow. So if you guys can see, if I just shake this a bit, wow, it has actual suspension, right? So you guys can see the side,
back, and the other side over here,
and then the top. So you want to open it now?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's pull.
Okay.
Pull it. And then we're gonna put this over. Yeet. You can put that there. Where is it? So we turn it over. We have some zip ties, and let's see.
Battery.
We have the remote. First, let me get scissors. Waz, can you hold it?
Okay.
Now we got all those done. Now, Waz, you can pull it. Pull it up.
Okay.
Whoa. And move that aside. And now we have this. Now let's take out this remote. Now we have this open. Put that there. And then we have the remote over here. And what's in this package? So this,
It should be the battery.
or it could be the charger.
Ooh.
Let's see. And
Ooh.
it's both.
Huh.
So here's a screwdriver. Here's a charger. And here's a battery. I think so for the remote.
And you have to flip it over.
And there's also this paper right here, which is the instructions. So this should have the battery already inside of it.
Yeah, should be there.
Okay, so first let's put in the battery for this.
Yep.
Just slide this open and turn this on. They're both connected.
Oh.
Okay, so now we have it on.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna lift it up and you're gonna move it forward, and so we can see them all four wheels moving. You can see. I'm gonna do it backwards.
Okay.
So you see all four wheels move. Now do it. Most of the power goes to the back, and some of it goes to the front.
But it's not gonna drift.
Yeah. So you guys can see the suspension. There's more suspension at the back, less in the front of it. So now.
Oh.
So Moaz, do you like it?
Yep.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. And please subscribe to our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.